Hey, I'm Ed. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the door hinge on an electric Samsung range. The hinge helps hold the door so it can open and close smoothly. You might need to change out this part if it's been damaged. If you want to see more step-by-step appliance repair tutorials like this one, hit that subscribe button and click the bell to turn on notifications so you'll see our newest videos. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. All we need today is a Phillips head screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your range by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Let's start by checking the door hinges. We can look to see if there's any debris caught in the hinges and make sure that it's not damaged. The most common sign that the hinges are faulty is if the door drops without resistance, which can damage the door glass. The hinges can also prevent the door from closing if they are misaligned. To check the door hinges, you just need to open the door and see if it drops down without resistance. If it does, then the hinges need to be replaced. You'll also want to make sure that the door isn't opening too far. When the door is open, it should sit level. If it is sitting below level, then the hinge needs to be replaced. Make sure the door is closing properly. If it's not, then check that the latch for the self-cleaning is lining up with the door and isn't stuck outward. And if you're dealing with broken glass, make sure the glass hasn't gotten into the door hinge. If you need to replace the door hinges, let's walk through the process together. The first thing you'll need to do is get the door off the range. First, we're going to open the door all the way. There will be a swivel at the hinge that will lock the door to keep it from closing. Raise the door back until it stops. Then grab both sides of the door and lift it off the range. Then gently place the door with the front panel down on the soft towel or blanket. At the top of the inner door panel, there will be 2 Phillips head screws that you will need to remove. Now look at the bottom ridge of the door, where you'll find 3 Phillips head screws that need to be removed. There are also 3 Phillips head screws that hold the hinges to the inner door panel. You will need to remove these screws so you can lift the inner door liner from the outer door glass. Now you can remove the hinges. Here are the old hinges, and here are the new ones. If you've already got them, great. If not, you can pick them up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Now that we have the old hinges off, we can install new ones. We will start by replacing the hinge on the door panel and putting the liner back over it. Then we can put the screws to hold the hinges in place. There is also 3 more screws on the left side. After that, let's put the Phillips head screws at the bottom of the door. Now reinstall the 2 screws at the top of the door liner. Once the door is reassembled, you can put the door back in place. You need to slide the hinges into the slots on the rail, and then once you're in, lower the door. Then swivel the locks back into place. Just close the door and you're done. Don't forget to plug your range back in or turn that breaker back on. You made it. Great job. And thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't got your new door hinge yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. While you're at it, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos, and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.